Guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time joining my channel, you are most definitely welcome. You know the deal. If you haven't subscribed, please join the family, okay? Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button. With that, you'll be notified when there is a video on my channel, a new video, okay? And Odi Goody returning back, one love, big time. I do appreciate you guys every now and then. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be showing you the stuff I got in June. I wasn't having time, excuse me, it's a bit late, but it's all good. It's a different kind of shop. I went to Zara, I went to H&M, I went to Bershka, I went to OVS, I went to Primark, so, and which I did a vlog on. It is living on my channel ever since I haven't got time to try them on. So yeah, I'm just going to be trying them on camera with my slay queens, okay? If you're interested, you want to see what I got, you already know what to do. Just stick around and let's keep rolling. Very thick bandage dress. This is a very sexy dress that you can wear to dinner, you can wear to lunch. The reason why I love this dress especially is because it has this kind of, you know, covered. It's not too open. On the boobs area fits me. I really love it. It's not showing too much because lately I've been into clothes which is not showing really nothing at all. Your zip is going to open and it's zipped down. And this dress is not a mini dress and it's not a maxi dress. It's a midi dress. So guys, the next outfit I'm going to be showing you guys is this jumpsuit I'm wearing right now. I got this from Bershka. I got it in 20 euro, which is amazing. It was not on sale. I just got it on 20 euro, the normal regular price, okay? And I'm loving this jumpsuit right here. The reason why, because the material is super soft and it's super comfortable on my skin. So you guys can see I'm going to be wearing it on top because yeah, so this is the back. And it's an offshoot, that's all it looks like. If I'm not wearing this, it look right now, but excuse that. So yeah, this is how the top, this is how there's a lot of tassels here, details. You can tie it like so, and I love it. It's super comfortable. The size was medium because I didn't have it in small, you know. With denim jeans, high waist, or just a simple skirt, you're good to go. This is just something that you want to throw on when you want to chill out in the evening with your friends or something like that. So the next top I'm going to be showing you is from H&M. Let me just update you guys about this top right here. You know what, the day I got this top, I was in a hurry, okay? I just closed from work. I had to run to shopping, you know. And I found this top. It was so pretty. This top is super pretty. And I took the cotton. It's super small. It's very small. So I took extra small. I didn't try it because you have time to, after 2 weeks or 10 days, you can always return it. I couldn't even zip the back. Okay, I couldn't zip the back. Keep that one. I keep it. I was thinking, okay, maybe I can give it to someone. So I had to get another one, and unfortunate, I went there, I didn't try it. Of course, I was having time, I didn't try it. I took size 42. Normal, my size is 36, 34. The normal price, but I got it in 5 euros. How the top looks like, as you can tell, how the top looks like on me. It looks super pretty, and I love the hand, and I love the tassel, the details, the design. I really love it a lot. It's something else, but it don't just fit me. Look, just take a look at this, so you guys can see that it was 20 euro 99, so I got it in 15 euro, which is pretty handsome. At the front area has a cut right here. It's also very long. It's a high waist trouser. It's kind of been like jeggings, but it's not really jeggings. Okay, it's a kind of a crop top in white. Like What I don't like about this top, it's an off shoulder crop top, off shoulder, but it's kind of, when you move your hand, like, what's that? Super snatched. I look snatched. I love it. Check out my bobs. You can tell me nothing. You can tell me nothing. You can show me your sexy legs, baby. Tell me, Bob. I can see myself styling myself wearing this outfit. Instagram. This one right here. This one has like it. Okay, but I can't find it. Was a black tank top, but I can't find it now. Yeah, this all looks like. I wear it on my Instagram already. Yeah. So style it like this and inside here. Like it. I just like it. I like the material and I like the length. It's not too short, it's not too long, and it's giving me, you know, extra volume. All is a random, okay? It's random, as you can see the way I tried them. Okay, I just try anyone I lay my hands on. Okay, excuse me for that. This denim jeans I got kind of have this kind of, you know, let me try it. It was €21.99. 21 euro. Got this. Here you go. You have a little bit of details, cuts right here. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And it's not super tight. Hey, what's up, nigga? Away from the shore, amongst the waves, exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Not up to my knee, just on my knee. Drop exactly on my knee. Before I'm going to be tying it like so. I cannot close two button. Two button is opening. It's opened. So if you want, you can also go like so. Depends on how you want to style it, right? Depends on how you want to style it. And for the back area is also beautiful, normal, giving you extra volume at the bump area. Beautiful. Gorgeous. I got this in 13 euro. 13 euro, size 40. I went for a little bit of bigger size, and yeah, I can go out like so because it's too short. It's too short for me. For me, it's too short. How you like? I'm holding it like this because I don't want to button it. It's too short. You can see a lot. You can see a lot going on. When you turn your side, you can see a lot. You can style this with a denim jeans or with just a short. It's too short, guys. It's too short. My future needed clarity. So yeah. And I love the details at the back. I'm going to be showing you just a minute. And this one was 13 euro as well, just 13, a little bit of extra volume. And this is the back. This is how it looks like with dope brow. Amazing, beautiful. Of course, it's a normal cut at the bottom area, which I'm not going to be showing you. Next outfit is this one right here. This is my favorite from all the things I've been showing you. Is this kind of dress that has a top short inside, as you can tell. It's so beautiful. The material is amazing. When I'm getting anything, any clothes, I always check for the material. Number one thing, I check for the material and I check how it feels on my skin. And it has this crisscross, right? I hope you guys like it. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. It's so beautiful. Just one like so, one like so. This two-piece right here, so beautiful. This is a trouser. It has kind of a rubber band at the waist area. I need just a little bit, not up to my ankle. And you have this kind of bandeau top, whatever you call it. So let me try it. Next, remember the start when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you'd react. What do you guys think? I love it a lot. I love the color on my skin tone. It's super amazing. Amazing, because you're amazing, just the way you are. Try on random haul is for buy.